Welcome to App Software Solutions. Here's your dashboard where you can easily track your property management activities. Here, you see an overview of your total revenue, active leases, and pending payments, all essential for efficient management. Next, explore properties with the option to add new listings, helping you expand your portfolio. Moving on, the leases section shows active agreements and pending statuses, ensuring you stay organized. In tenants, you can manage your registered tenants and view payment statuses for better communication. Payments let you track expected rent, collected amounts, and any overdue payments, crucial for cash flow management. The expenses section provides a clear view of your total costs and records needing approval. In maintenance, you can manage requests and track the status of ongoing work orders. The documents area helps you upload and organize essential files related to your properties and tenants. The calendar feature reminds you of key dates, making sure you never miss an inspection or payment due. Reports and analytics allow you to generate detailed financial insights essential for strategic planning. Notifications keep you updated on important payment reminders and alerts. Lastly, manage your profile effortlessly to keep your account information current. Start optimizing your property management today. Thank you for watching, and let's elevate your business together with a free demo.